Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. If you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. If you get a chance and are so inclined, please hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you would please hit the bell notification icon. It'll alert you when I release new videos and also let you know when I go live. Today, guys, we're going to do a little two-part video, which is going to be an unboxing and then a little modification or a little scale swap. So this is coming to us from USA Made Blades. And our unboxing knife today is going to be the Hinderer Half Track. Pack of peanuts. All right. That looks like all that was in that box, guys. And that is, let's get this out of the way, USA Made Blades sticker and a half track textured stone wash Hinderer scale to make my half track a full tie Hinderer. But the problem is we've got to do a disassembly, which may take long, it may not. We'll do it together. The only thing tricky about Hinderer assemblies, disassemblies, for me at least, in the past, and I don't want to jinx myself, is the pivot. The pivot comes all the way through, and the only thing when you buy replacement hardware, the pivot itself is not available, this back part. You can get the pivot hardware, and they make a tool for this, but I was watching MC's video, Metal Complex, and he is right in to say if you can get the tool that will hold the pivot still, that a penny will actually work, as well as the little, let me show you what I got, as well as a little pivot tool that you can get on Etsy if you don't want to go with the high dollar pivot tool from Hinderer, which is about 80 bucks, and I don't think it works as well because the spanner bit, the part that holds the spanner bit on my left hand here, is on the actual side of the go back to my penny, on the actual side of the tool, so you have to hold the side against the lock side of the knife, and it's just awkward. I've used it, my buddy has it. Should probably all right, y'all are being so patient. I'll continue to be patient, and I will try not to melt down, and we won't have to call this John Break stuff. I swapped scales on all except for my 3-inch Skinner blade Hinderer because I can't find a Battle Black 3-inch scale. Nice, that's loose. Let's take a T6 to our barrel screws and try to strip those guys. And then I put my finger on the back side of these, just because I don't want the whole thing to come apart if I don't have to. Just want to take it nice and slow. Pop that out. Whoops. Whoops. All right, guys. All right. We're almost there, guys. All right. This is always the tricky part. I wasn't sure when I saw these scales, since you got this titanium back, I didn't know if they were just going to sell this little G10 part, but they sell the entire scale, which I guess is nice. It makes it more solid. I should have gone with the regular Weehaw bit driver, but I figured my little wing handles would make for easy work of these T6s, and we'll see if I was right. All right. Screw's a lot easier to get back in than it is to get out because there is a little Loctite on it that I didn't clean off. But that is okay. I just want that tight. I want these guys snug. I don't know if y'all saw this. My my Half Track in MagnaCut said Stevie hooked me up with this Lynch Hinderer titanium clip. It's a perfect fit and a perfect match. He'd gotten his for his McNees, and it did not fit. So you can see we're centered there. No play. No up and down. I still have trouble flicking this knife from the fuller. But anyway, guys, let's get this stuff out of the way. And let's take a look at the new and improved Half Track. We'll put this screw, or this scale, back in our Half Track box. And now we have a titanium stone washed Hinderer Half Track. Looking dope. I like it, guys. What do y'all think? Do we look better like that? Or are we killing it with our tie? Doesn't feel any heavier. Because again, this is the tie-backed scale with just this little additional piece screwed on here. But now I've gotten rid of that hardware. I think the knife looks just sick. But guys, that is our little Hinderer lesson in scale swapping, and we've got our titanium scale now installed. We will put our G10 scale in our bag. We will get ready to clean up our stuff, and we will tell you guys thank you for watching, and then I will ask my final plea. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to the right. Please look out for each other. Move forward with love in your heart. Choose debate before hate. I love every one of you. Can't wait till Friday night. Peace.